Welcome to Homes Decor Designs, where we turn your vision of a beautiful home into reality. Today, we're diving into the art of outdoor garden with captivating wall decor and tips for creating a stunning and personalized outdoor space. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Are you looking to add a touch of personality and style to your outdoor garden? One of the most effective ways to do this is by incorporating eye-catching wall decor. In this video, we'll delve into the world of outdoor garden wall decor, exploring its meaning, benefits, and practical tips for creating a stunning and inviting space. Outdoor garden wall decor refers to any decorative element or accessory that can be used to enhance the appearance of your garden walls. This can include everything from artwork and sculptures to planters, hanging baskets, and decorative lighting. By strategically placing these elements on your walls, you can create a visually appealing focal point and transform your outdoor space into a personal oasis. Incorporating outdoor garden wall decor offers numerous benefits. Here are some of the benefits of adding outdoor garden wall decor. First, enhancing visual appeal. Well-chosen wall decor can instantly elevate the aesthetic appeal of your garden, adding color, texture, and interest. Second, creating a focal point. A striking piece of wall art or a unique sculpture can serve as a focal point, drawing attention to specific areas of your garden. Third, personalizing your space. Outdoor garden wall decor allows you to express your personal style and create a space that reflects your individuality. Fourth, increasing property value. A beautifully decorated garden can increase the value of your home, making it more attractive to potential buyers. When decorating your outdoor garden walls, consider the following tips. First, choose a theme. Selecting a theme can help you create a cohesive and visually appealing look. For example, you might opt for a rustic, modern, or tropical theme. Second, consider the size of your wall. The size of your wall will determine the appropriate scale of your decor. Larger walls can accommodate larger pieces, while smaller walls may require more delicate elements. Third, play with color and texture. Experiment with different colors and textures to create a visually interesting space. For example, you could combine vibrant flowers with rustic wood accents. Fourth, balance symmetry and asymmetry. A combination of symmetrical and asymmetrical elements can create a sense of balance and visual interest. And to complete your inspiration, here are 10 popular items that can be used to decorate your outdoor garden walls. 1. Wall-mounted planters. Add greenery and color to your walls with wall-mounted planters that can hold a variety of plants, including vines, herbs, and flowering plants. 2. Hanging baskets. Create a cascading effect with hanging baskets filled with colorful flowers or trailing plants. 3. Wall art. Display your favorite artwork or photographs on your garden walls to add a personal touch. 4. Sculptures and statues. Introduce unique elements into your garden with sculptures or statues that complement your overall design. 5. Mirrors. Mirrors can create the illusion of space and reflect light, making your garden appear larger and brighter. 6. String lights. Add a touch of ambience and create a cozy atmosphere with string lights draped over your garden walls. 7. Trellis and vines. Create a vertical garden by planting climbing vines on a trellis or lattice structure. 8. Wind chimes. Enjoy the soothing sounds of wind chimes gently swaying in the breeze. 9. Decorative plates. Display decorative plates or tiles on your garden walls to add a touch of color and pattern. 10. Chalkboards. Write inspirational quotes or create personalized messages on a chalkboard to add a personal touch. By incorporating outdoor garden wall decor, you can transform your outdoor space into a beautiful and inviting retreat. Experiment with different elements, play with color and texture, and let your creativity shine. With a little imagination and effort, you can create a garden that is truly unique and enjoyable. Ready to start decorating your outdoor garden walls? Visit our YouTube channel, Homes Decor Designs, for more inspiration and tutorials. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Again, thank you for watching this video, hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel Homes Decor Designs. Hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.